Turkish Medicana Hospital confirmed the news spread since last night about the death of Azerbaijani citizen Sevinch Babayeva, who was one of the 3 persons engaged in a bribe deal, video recording of which was posted on YouTube by the former rector of Azerbaijan International University, Ershad Abdullayev. The news about Babayeva's death was first publicized by her son Aykan Mammadov. According to unofficial sources, Babayeva died of a cardiovascular disease. In the scandalous bribery video posted on September 25th, Ershad Abdullayev, Sevinch Babayeva and former MP Güler Ahmedova discussed the amount of bribe that the former had to pay in order to guarantee a seat in the parliament in 2005 elections. Not long ago, a new video was posted by Abdullayev in which Babayeva assures Abdullayev that the money, a bribe of $1 million, was safely delivered to the head of the presidential administration, Ramiz Mehdiyev. Shortly after the appearance of the videos, authorities launched criminal proceedings into the case on fraud charges. However, neither Babayeva nor Ahmedova was detained. Moreover, it was reported that Babayeva had fled to Turkey in order to avoid investigation. Then came the news about her unexpected and sudden death. All of this poses a number of unanswerable questions as to how the case will be solved, given that the key witness in the case has died.